crocodile. Do you like codfish?
I'm a codfish.
Louder!
I'm a codfish!
Hello.
And if the shoe fits, bring her in.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Well, blast it all, Tibbs. On the double, man, on the double.
Yes, sir. Righto, sir. Right away, sir.
Bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries. Don't pick the prickly pear by the paw. When you pick a pear, try to use the claw.
Stimulating like a slug of rye on an empty stomach.